Alright guys, so the Moto Z3 along with the 5G module is practically here, and in this video we are going to talk about the 5 important features and information that you must know before buying the Moto Z3 or its 5G module. So first thing first, the Moto Z3 has Snapdragon X50 modem that is going to help connect to the 5G networks, and on the other hand the 5G module is Verizon exclusive. That means it will tap into Verizon's 5G network. I don't think you will be able to use this module with previous Motorola smartphones, I mean the Moto Z series, including the recently announced the Moto Z3 Play. 5G is of course the future, you can download 5 GBs data per second, but I think it's too early. I think Motorola wanted to be the first to launch the 5G smartphone. Next thing is the Moto Z3 uses a year-old Snapdragon 835 processor, and that is quite disappointing, because I was really expecting a flagship smartphone from Motorola that could beat other flagship phones of 2018, the Galaxy S9, the OnePlus 6. The Snapdragon 835 is of course not as powerful as Snapdragon 845, which is the latest right now, so it's your wish. I would of course choose 845 rather than reserving a 5G technology for the future. And that's my personal opinion guys, of course you can have yours also. The third important thing is that the Moto Z3 is just Moto Z3 Play with slightly different specifications, meaning both uses same design, same body, same dimensions, the weight is also same, and both have same 3000 mAh battery. So just processor and camera difference is there. I, to be precise, was expecting a curved display from sides just like the Samsung Galaxy S8, S9 and Note series, but yeah, you have the Moto Z3 Play as the Moto Z3 with different specifications. The fourth thing you must know that this is the last of its kind. There won't be any new Moto Z3 this year. All you have is the Moto Z3 Play and the standard Moto Z3. There won't be any Moto Z3 Force or something like that, so no new Moto Z smartphone this year, and this thing is officially confirmed from Motorola. Also, this is the last smartphone to support these modules. As Motorola said earlier, I think from 2019 you are going to see a new wave of Moto modes, so last of its kind. I don't know if Motorola launches another wave of Moto modes in 2018 that is going to support the previous Moto Z phones as well as the latest Moto Z3, but from 2019, apart from that Verizon 5G network, Motorola is going to launch the new wave of Moto modes that is not going to support the previous Moto Z phones. Last thing is that the 5G module will be available from January 2019. Yeah, that's a bit late. However, you can purchase the Moto Z3 starting August 16 only from Verizon. So this is the story of the Moto Z3 and its 5G mod. I think I was clear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.